For many years, we haven't capitalized on our strengths. As African people, we have been waiting for others to validate us and tell us that what we do is good or right. But we've got to validate ourselves. We must justify our actions and the things we do. We are no longer puppets or slaves to these white folks. They have been able to capitalize on their strengths and make use of them, often at our expense. Why shouldn't we also capitalize on our strengths and make good use of them without exploiting others? As Africans, our strengths lie mostly in the physical and spiritual realms. We have both physical and spiritual strength. Our physical strength is evident in how strong we are physically. We are energetic, resilient, rugged, agile, enduring, and resistant. When it comes to physical activities, we thrive. We excel in physical labor and physical expressions that might be challenging for others. We make use of different parts of our body to excel in physical activities. We dance a lot. We sing a lot. We engage in sports frequently. We play musical instruments, and we do all these creative and amazing things. When it comes to spiritual matters, we are vast, highly deep, and spiritual. As I have said in many of my posts, Africans are spiritual. Our spiritual antennae are far more sensitive than those of any other race in the world. Our spirituality, which some foreigners have demonized as voodoo or black magic, is often misunderstood. Our traditional religions have been bad tagged. The foreigners have ridiculed and derided our spirituality, even to those among us who follow contemporary religions. They say we are fanatical and bigoted, but they don't understand that spirituality is our strength. They don't know that. That's what keeps us above and beyond. That is what makes us shine and flourish. The resources and nutrients on our land are innumerable. They are uncountable, giving the world wonders. As they keep extracting the resources, they keep multiplying. Our resources are unlimited, and that is part of the evidence of our spirituality, because our treasures are not ephemeral, but they are deeply rooted in the spiritual. This doesn't mean other people don't have physical and spiritual strengths. It just means we function best in those areas, and we should let the world know that's what makes us shine. Go around the world and you'll see the fastest growing spiritual centers are by Africans. Moreover, our devotion and commitment to spiritual matters are second to none. We are spiritually focused and sensitive, with many of us believing in God, even if we are not religious or fanatical. When it comes to mental strength, that's a different dimension we'll discuss in another article. Let's start making use of our strengths. Let's not allow anyone to ridicule or undermine what we have as Africans. We are strong, we are genuine, we are great human beings created to manifest the glory of the Creator. Let's function in this knowledge and begin to do great things for ourselves and our continent. God bless Africa. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,300 and 35 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.